Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of CCV Craft. Today I'm going to show us how to make this lovely design. You can use this as a brooch. You can use it as a necklace. You can put it together to form a necklace, a bracelet, earring, and also as a brooch. So I have this color, the mist and the wand color here, and I'm going to show us how to achieve this. To make this, you only need your needle, beading needle, and your fishing line, and also your felt underneath it. If you have any question, don't forget to ask. If it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at CCV Craft, also on Facebook at CCV Craft. Let me know if you have any question or concern after watching this video. So let's get started.